Hello, grade 3. Is it interesting to see Mrs. Schweitzer when we're not at school? I assume that you're at your house, maybe in your living room or your den or your kitchen. I'm actually at my house in my kitchen making this recording for you. So we're going to do something fun that is called a flipped classroom. Now, flipping is just like what it sounds. We're going to flip what we usually do and do something different. Flip it around. Usually we work hard at school and then you go home and you might practice. You might do something over and over until you get it, whether that's studying or practicing something else. This time I'm going to give you the opportunity through this video to work on something at home before we do it, before we try it in the classroom. So, you know how we've been learning about Saskatchewan wildflowers and about how, in particular, the milkweed is so very important to the monarch butterfly. And that's why Saskatchewan is part of the monarch butterfly's migration, because it needs to come up to look for the milkweed. So we're going to try doing a monarch butterfly as an art project tomorrow. I found a really good video on YouTube, and I will give it the link to you right after this video. You can go to the original source and look at it if you like. We're going to look together at what you might do when you come into the classroom tomorrow. Now, if you decide that you don't want to try a butterfly, you could do a wildflower instead, and you'll take a look at the video that I create after this one, where I will suggest how you might want to try doing your wildflowers when we come in tomorrow. But here first is how to draw the monarch butterfly, and let's take a look at this together. So this person starts by drawing the body of the butterfly a little wider in the center here, kind of a small little head, and then has the wings going out from the body. And you can see they erase because they want to square off those wings just a little bit more. You'll see here how there's an overlap, and so it just comes out from that top wing. It doesn't go all the way back to the body. Look here how they do yellow right near the body on these bottom wings, and then come in with the orange. And then he starts working on the top wings with the dark orange, and is quite heavy with the orange on those top wings. Then come in with a Sharpie marker, a black one, and do the body and outline the top of the wing. You make the whole top wing first with the outline, and then the bottom wing will just come out from the bottom with the outline. And then he's making quite a thick border and coloring it in with the black marker. So you can give that a try if you like. And then there are these lines down here. He makes sort of diamond shapes first, and then draws lines out just on the bottom wings, and then makes that black border a little thicker and with a little bit of variation on the bottom, as you can see here, sort of a curving around, but you can give that a try. And then the different lines on the top, and then comes in with a Sharpie pen. I think that's paint, but we'll just be using paint at school tomorrow, with a dark orange, almost a red, and then just dots in white dots on the tips of these wings, both on the top wings and on the bottom wings. And then it's going to come in with a gray, I think pencil crayon, to put 3D, and then do the antenna and make these dots, and voila, you have a beautiful monarch butterfly. So that's what we're going to do when we come into class tomorrow. If you have chosen to do the monarch butterfly, you can give some practice at home. If you don't have any colors at home, that's fine. I would suggest maybe even just simply trying to draw the shape of the wings and the shape of the body, and then we'll work on it together at school. So, like I said before, go ahead and look at this video as many times as you like, and we'll try this at school tomorrow. See you later.